Well, the Honwave, properly packed, does fit across the back of the Audi. The engine, with the one seat down, because it sticks in, fits in that way. The engine behind, and the tailgate shuts. So with the seats up, boot closed, the Honwave has to be stood up on one side, not laid flat. Okay, so this is a formed piece of 3mm ABS, which is about 1 metre long and 600 wide. So that protects the car, goes over the windscreen wiper, and that's where the seat rests. And then it's going up on top. So that's what the piece of ABS plastic looks like. Which just hooks onto the crossbar there, the roof rack. Protects the glass and protects this. And then that just lives in the boot. Relatively straightforward getting it off. Just a bit of balance. And it's obviously going to go its own way. That's it. Down.